Hello. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and there are noises in the house and I'm afraid to go back into the living room, so I'm trapped in the restroom with my guitar over in the corner, and whatever this is, I don't know if it'll help me, but I'm terrified. There are weird creaking noises and I don't know, I have the doors closed, lights on, I don't want to open the door, I'm scared, and for some reason the iPad just happened to be in here, so yes. And on a lighter note, I'm gonna be doing a cover of Coldplay's song. It's called Sparks, and I am in love with the song. I bought a capo today at Straight Music, and the song requires a capo, so I am excited to work on it. It's not too difficult, and I'm gonna put it together, make it nice and mediocre, and post it, and hopefully you'll watch it. Hopefully whatever's outside the restroom door and around the house making noises that's terrifying me will stop by then, and have a happy Halloween. I'm just kidding, it's not Halloween time, but yeah, it's summertime, it's getting hot. I'm terrified to go outside. Anyways, just Chris, and I'm scared.